All right, 7th grade, we have made it to the middle of our unit, so we're going to do a review. So basically, we're just going to go through all the problems we've done for each lesson, and then you're going to take like a review quiz on Edmodo. All right, so let's start with lesson 1. We covered unit rates or unit prices in this lesson. So basically, I'm just going to go through one of the problems with you, and then you'll do the other ones on your own, and that's your review. So first one is a 12-pack of paper towels costs $15.78. What is the unit price for each roll? So we are going to take $15.78 divided by 12, and we get $1.32 because we're going to round that. So $1.32 for the first one. Work on the next two by yourself, and then hit play when you're ready to see the answer. So a 5-pack of dog bones costs $6.90. Oh, sorry, I actually have the answer here. I think maybe not for this one. That's okay. So a 5-pack of dog bones costs $6.98. The unit price is going to be $1.40 per bone. A 7-pound bag of potatoes costs $4.98. What is the price per pound? 71 cents. So we have lesson 2. Okay, so this one we looked at finding out whether two ratios were proportional or not. So again, I'll do the first one with you, and then after that, do my own, and we'll look at the answers. So 7 to 4 and 14 to 8. 14 divided by 7 we know is 2, and 8 divided by 4 is also 2. So yes, they are proportional. Work through the next 3 by yourself. We know that the next one is not proportional because you cannot get from 4 to 5, and 1 to 2 is times 2, and 4 times 2 is 8. The next one is proportional. 5 times 4 is 20, 10 times 4 is 40. And the last one is also proportional. 5 times 2 is 10, 7 times 2 is 14. Lesson 3 and 4 looked at identifying proportional relationships in tables. So Bella types at a constant rate of 42 words per minute. Is the number of words she can type proportional to the number of minutes she types? Find her words per minute for 1, 2, 3, and 6 minutes. All right, so go ahead and figure these out in a table on your own, and then hit play when you're ready. We'll go through the answers. So her words per minute for 1 minute is always going to be 42. So words per minute, 1 is 42, 2 is 84, 3, 126, it's 252. All right, and so then we know they're proportional because the rate is constant throughout. Multiply the number of minutes by 42 to get to the number of words. So 5 and 6, we looked at the same thing, but with graphs. So state that the graph values are proportional. Go ahead and do that. And then how do you know? No, they are not. They don't go through 0, 0, which we know they have to do in order to be proportional. And the points are not in a straight line. Number 7, Suzette and Margot went to prepare crepes for all the students in their French class. The recipe makes 20 crepes with a certain amount of flour, milk, and 2 eggs. Girls already know they have plenty of flour and milk to make 50, but they need to determine the number of eggs they will need for the recipe because they are not sure they have enough. Go ahead and answer the 2 questions there, and then hit play when you are ready to see the answers. So first, our constant of proportionality is 10. We took 20 crepes divided by 2 because we know that 2 eggs makes 20 crepes. So how many eggs do we need to make 50? 10, or 50 divided by 10 is going to be 5. 5 eggs for 50 crepes. Lessons 8 and 9 we just did on Tuesday. So looking at writing equations. So go ahead and do this one on your own and then hit play when you're ready to see the answer. So find the constant of proportionality. We know that that's going to be 3 over 2 or 1.5. Write an equation to relate the number of portraits to the number of hours. Y equals 1.5x. Because as we said the other day, if you take any of the hour numbers, multiply times 1.5, you will get your number of portraits. Last one we just did yesterday. You might remember this problem. So go ahead and complete the problem and then hit play when you're ready to see the answer. Okay, so is the length of the shower proportional to the number of gallons? Or X is gallons of water, Y is length of the shower. So how long can a person shower with 15 gallons of water? 5 minutes. 60 was 20 minutes. Constant proportionality is 0.3 minutes per gallon. Yes, the length of the shower is proportional to the number of gallons. Okay, so that's it. Review this video as many times as you need before you're taking that little quiz on Edmodo. If you have questions on a particular lesson or in general, let me know. Otherwise, all you have to do for today is complete that Edmodo quiz. Have a great Thursday.